Let's roll letters. Choose a letter and roll it back and forth. A, ape. B, bird. C, cow. D, drum. E, echo. F, fish. Fish begins with F. G, goat. H, horn. I, ice. J, jet. K, keys. L, lamb. M, mule. N, nose. O, open. P, pig. Q, quiz. R, rain. Rain begins with R. S, saw. T, toad. U, up. V, van. Van begins with V. W, wolf. X, X-ray. Y, yawn. Z, zip. Let's roll colors. Choose a color and roll it back and forth. Roll a color. You found the color red with the letter A. You found the color blue with the letter B. You found the color green with the letter C. You found the color yellow with the letter D. You found the color purple with the letter E. You found the color orange with the letter F. Get ready to roll. Find the letter D. Roll it. All right, D, drum. Find the letter G. Roll it. You got it. G, goat. Find the letter N. Roll it. G, roll the letter N. Find the color red with the letter N. Find the letter C. Roll it. Let's spell a word. Echo. E-C-H-O. Find the first letter that spells the word echo. Roll it. E. Yes. Find the letter C. Roll the letter C. C. Yes. Find the letter H. H. Yes. Find the letter O. O. All right. You spelled the word echo. Let's spell a word. Ice. I-C-E. Find the first letter that spells the word ice. Roll it. I. Awesome. Find the letter C. C. Awesome. Find the letter E. E. You got it. You spelled the word ice. Let's spell a word. Rain. R-A-I-N. Find the first letter that spells the word rain. Roll it. Let's do the letter rap. Roll any letter. Roll any letter. Wolf. Wolf. W. W. Wolf. W. Wolf. Roll another letter. Let's roll letters. Choose a letter and roll it back and forth. Roll a letter. Come on, let's roll.